be lying if I said I wasn't nervous in here. But this is a tea bed. We supposed to grow tea in here. And I don't know where to start because it's so much. We grew this from seeds. We started seeds last year. We just gonna cut and let it grow back. So we gonna go ahead and harvest as much as we can and get as much oil as we can and let this grow back. So you want to be careful with lemongrass too because it is sharp.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna come out here and give her a hand with cutting through some of this lemongrass. It's a little tough. I don't know. Yeah, this might not do it, but we're gonna try. Guys, we're gonna bring out the power tools on this thing. Much better.
This is last year. This is a plot from last year. So we'll go ahead and harvest this one too, and it'll start growing back. It did great over the winter. Okie dokie. This, my friends, is how you harvest lemongrass. 2 little plots. I mean, they were not big at all and only growing this for 1 year basically. I mean, we dropped seeds last year. Pretty good haul. So let's make some lemongrass oil. Oh my God, y'all. It is so hot out there. It's crazy. But we got some. This is our entire setup. We will go get lemongrass and fill this baby up. This setup is VEVOR. VEVOR, I love this distillery. It's super simple to put together. It's super simple to use. So we have our pot. It comes with your top, which is your coolant, and your coils. All of this pretty much come together. It does have a pump, so I have my pump inside one end of my sink, and then I'll put another hose in another side of the sink. Let's get this cut up into our pot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my stove on. So you want, I did put water in the bottom. You do want your pot to steam at about 180 to 200 degrees. Once you get to that, I would cut back so that it will just stay there. You don't want it to rise over 200. So 180 to 200 is good to steam. I'm going to wash this off because if I decide to make extract, a lemongrass extract, I want to make sure that my liquid for the extract is extra clean because we'll be consuming it. I want to show you how much material we have in now. That is what's in our pot right now. So I actually want my pot to steam around 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
So I'll let this go for about 30 minutes. I'm going to leave my water running because we need it to constantly give cold water. So what it's doing is it's steaming in here. The water's coming up through here. And this is where you need to keep your water cool, cold or cool. I'm not putting ice in it. I just got water filtering from my sink. So I wanted to bring you in a little closer. You can hear that. That's when you know it's working right. So cool water is going in and warm or hot water is coming out. We're at about 200 degrees. So it's steaming good and dripping over here.